And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friends, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every byway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, and then again too few to mention. I did what I had to do, I saw it through without exemption. I've planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Well, there were times, I'm sure you knew, that I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, well, there was doubt, I ate it up and spun it out. I faced them all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I've lived, I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now the tears subside. I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, no, not me.